Hi angels, welcome back to another video. So in this video we're going to be making an iPad case, a Bedazzled iPad case. I'll leave a link for everything that I'm using down in the description box down below. So if you guys want to go check it out, you guys can make one yourself. So these flat back charms, I'm pretty sure that's not what they're called, but I'll put the name up here. I got these from Etsy's. I bought a whole set. I don't even know how much came in it, but I'm not showing you guys everything that I got. Just a little glimpse. Obviously, I'm not going to be using everything onto this case. I'm going to be making like phone case, maybe my MacBook, but that's going to take a lot. So we shall see. So this clear case I got from Amazon. These charms, flat back pearls I got from Amazon. And we're going to be using some E6000 glue and also some B6000 glue. I think that's what it's called. And that's pretty much it. So this is going to have to be done in two parts. So first thing I'm doing is laying out all of the charms that I want on the case, just to see how everything's just going to be laying out, how it's going to be looking. And that's how it's looking. Fixing the camera for you guys. So with my E6000 glue, I'm going to glue everything down. And I'm just going to let everything dry overnight before I start adding on there the rhinestone and the flat back beads. No, they call the pearl beads. Whatever you want to call them. So, just putting all of this down first and letting it dry. By the way, this glue is very strong. So, that's why I say just do it in like two parts. Voila. With the spaces in between, because there's a big space in between two of these, I decided to add a little rhinestone lips that I got from Amazon. So I didn't show you guys that part, but when I was looking at it, I was like, yeah, this could use something else. Just add on there the lips. We're almost finished. I could definitely edit out this part because you guys get the idea. I'll just fast forward it. And make sure to press down on it hard so that nothing is sticking up. And voila, this is how everything turned out. We're just going to have to let it dry, and then we can do the rest of the morning. So I was going to add these three on there, but there was no more space, so I was like, it can just be. So now it is in the morning, bright and early. This took all day. Keep that in mind, because I definitely took breaks in between. I ate breakfast, I ate lunch, I ate dinner, and I rest because my back was hurting from just bending over this tiny little table. So this was an all-day process. So now I'm going in with some rhinestone and with some flat back pearls. I'm going to give you guys a better look later on. I'm just adding down a little bit of some glue and then placing the rhinestone on top. And then just keep on doing that over and over again. Because if you just lay... oh my god, my voice. Because if you just layer out all of the glue, then the glue is going to dry up fast. And then you're going to have to reapply glue. So this way you can just work in small amounts. And you're not wasting anything. So this is what I've done so far. It looks pretty good. Now I'm going to give you guys a close-up of how I'm doing everything. Firstly, I placed down the glue. Now I'm adding on there the rhinestones and everything else. This little kit, it wasn't a kit. This flat back pearls, these pearls rhinestone came with a ton of stuff in there. So you got every size, which fit perfectly. step by step. This is honestly the speed that I was doing everything in. So slow and so steady. I'm using the B6000 glue now to glue down everything. Or is it B7? No, B7 700. Looking good, looking good. You don't need a lot of glue, obviously. You just need a little bit to just pop everything on there. Voila. This is how it's looking so far. I did the corners, the top, and then I started working my way into the center. Making sure that everything dry. Do, 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 do. Keep repeating the same steps over and over again until you're finished or until you're tired. But this is looking good so far. Loving it. I'm just going to be showing you guys the process instead of me just repeating the same thing over and over again. By repeating the same thing over and over again, I mean adding on the rhinestone onto the case. You guys already get the idea. So I'm going to show you guys the progress that I'm making as I finish like either the top, the bottom, the sides, or the corner. So you see that we're almost finished. We just have a little bit of space left. And I was thanking the gods. It looks good so far. Absolutely stunning. Bratz doll. So we only have that little space left. Hallelujah. So I'm adding on a little bit more rhinestone because there's a little bit of glue right there where I can stick on stuff on. So that's what I'm doing. Look at it. It looks so pretty. My. So this is the last and final part. So it's like, okay, let me just show you guys how I'm doing this. Obviously, this is very speed up. I wasn't working at this speed. I wish I was, but I was definitely not. But yeah, look at it. Look at it. It looks so pretty. I'm so obsessed with this. So cute. Look at it sparkle. Oh my. This is going to look so pretty in the sunshine. Almost done. I'm filling in any little space that I see popping out. I can definitely use like a smaller rhinestone or any pearls So that's what I'm doing there, and voila, we are finished. Everything is good. We just have to let it sit and let it dry. But look at it. Look at it. Gorgeous. This turned out absolutely perfect. You can see how it's sparkling. I love everything about it. And it's dried perfectly, so a win is a win. This took forever to do, but I'm so happy that I finished it in one day, basically. So gorgeous. Well, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.